Hello, student. 11th Science Maths second complex number. Question number 4. Express the following numbers in Fourier form and exponential form. Now here is example first. Minus 1 plus root 3i. First, this example can be let z is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I. Yes, to get here a is minus 1 and b is root 3. Yes, we know that r is equal to root of minus 1 square plus root 3 square, which is minus 1 square 1, root 3 square 3, which is root 4, means this is 2. R is 2, and both x is x is equal to minus 1 is negative, and y is equal to root 3 is positive. Hence, theta lies in hence theta lies in second quadrant. Yes, therefore tan theta is equal to tan inverse of b by a. This is tan inverse of uh, root 3 upon minus 1, which is tan inverse of minus root 3. But here is minus root 3, which is second quadrant. Theta is equal to pi minus tan inverse of root 3, which is pi minus root 3. Root 3 means tan inverse of tan pi by 3. Tan inverse get cancelled. Pi minus pi by 4. Sorry, pi by 3. It is 2 pi by theta. To get here is theta is equal to polar form. The polar form of z is equal to minus 1 plus root 3i is z is equal to r in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta, and r is 2 here, cos of 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Yes, and exponential form is z is equal to 2 e to the power I 2 pi by 3. Yes. Now second example. This is first. I hope you are understand. Now second example is minus I. Z is equal to minus I, can be written this 0 minus I. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to minus 1. Hence it is R is equal to root of 0 square plus minus 1 square, which is 0 square 0 plus 1 square 1, minus 1 square plus 1, which is 0 plus 1 1. R is 1 here. Yes, point 0 minus 1 lies on negative axis. Hence theta is equal to 270 degree. Yes, theta is 270 degree or 3 pi by 2. Yes, the polar form of Z is equal to minus I is Z is equal to R cos theta plus I sin theta, which is R is 1 cos theta cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2, and exponential form of Z is equal to, it is R e to the power I theta. It is Z is equal to R is 1 and e to the power 3 pi by 2 I. Is the second question. Now third question. Sorry. Third question is minus 1. Third question is minus 1. Let Z is equal to minus 1 plus 0I. Here A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to 0. R is equal to root of A square plus B square, which is root of minus 1 square plus 0 square, which is minus 1 square 1 plus 0, which is root 1. Root 1 means 1. R is 1 and the point minus 1 0 lies on negative x-axis. Lies on negative x-axis. Hence theta is equal to 180 degree, which is or pi. Yes, to get here the polar form of Z is equal to R in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Z is equal to R. R is 1 and cos theta cos pi plus I sin pi. Yes, and exponential form of Z is equal to R e to the power I theta. Is Z is equal to R is 1 e to the power pi, theta is pi I. This is second question. Now sorry, this is third question. Now fourth question, number 4. Question number 4 is here. 1 upon 1 plus I. Now this equation at numerator and denominator can be written in fractional form. Now make it, let z is equal to 1 upon 1 plus I. Now take conjugate of denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator. 1 minus I upon 1 plus I, 1 minus I, which is 1 minus I as numerator, and a plus b, a minus b, which is 1 square 1 minus I square. Can be written this 1 minus I upon 1, I square is minus 1, minus of minus plus 1, which is 1 minus I upon 2, which is z is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 I. Here a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Yes, right? Now first is positive and x is positive and y is negative, means the point 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 lies in fourth quadrant 4. Yes, to get here theta r square, r is equal to root of a square plus b square, which is r is equal to 1 by 2 square plus minus 1 by 2 square, which is root of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is root of 2 by 4, square root 2 upon 2. Can be written this 1 upon root 2 r. Now here sin theta is equal to minus b by r. Sin theta is equal to b by r, या tan थीटा भी निकाल सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं. थीटा निकालो एट फर्स्ट. थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ b by a, which is as in fourth quadrant, hence 2 pi minus tan inverse of minus b is minus 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2, 2 pi plus, which is 2 pi plus minus tan inverse of 1 means tan pi by 4, 2 pi minus tan inverse of tan pi by 4, and tan inverse get cancelled. Theta is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 4, which is 4 to the 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 4. Now theta, the polar form of z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. R is 1 upon root 2 and cos of 7 pi by 4 minus plus I sin of 7 pi by 4, and exponential form z is equal to r e to the power I theta, which is r is 1 upon root 2 and e to the power theta is 7 pi by 4 I. Yes, which is question number 4th.